English Boost podcast from Speak English Journey.
Welcome back, English learners, to another episode of Speak English Journey. I'm your host, Melissa, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This is the place where we help you enhance and develop your English speaking, listening, and vocabulary, one conversation at a time. And joining me, as always, is my brilliant co-host, Daniel.
Hey everyone, thrilled to be back. And Melissa, today's topic is so relatable. It's a question every single learner asks themselves. Is it better to study on my own, or should I find a study partner?
You've hit the nail on the head, Daniel. It's a classic dilemma. Today, we're going to break down the pros and cons of studying alone versus with a partner. We'll help you figure out which method or combination of methods is the best fit for your learning style and your goals.
Let's start with the solo approach. When you're studying alone, the most obvious benefit is complete focus. There are no distractions, no interruptions. It's just you and the material.
Absolutely. This is where you can truly go at your own pace. If you need to spend an hour on a single grammar point, you can. If you want to review the same list of vocabulary words 10 times, you can. You're in total control of your study session. This level of focus is perfect for tasks that require deep concentration.
Right. Think about it. A solo study session is ideal for reading complex articles, watching educational videos, or doing specific grammar exercises from a textbook. When you're alone, you can take your time to truly absorb the material. It's the perfect environment for building a solid foundation in English.
It's also great for personal reflection. When you're by yourself, you can review your progress and honestly assess your weaknesses. You can say to yourself, I'm struggling with the past perfect tense, or I need to work on my pronunciation of the TH sound. This kind of self-awareness is crucial for improvement, and it often happens best in private.
Now, let's talk about the other side of the coin, studying with a partner. This approach is a game changer for many learners, and it's all about interaction and accountability.
I couldn't agree more. When you have a partner, you have someone to practice speaking with. That's a huge benefit. You can have spontaneous conversations, role-play different scenarios, like ordering food at a restaurant.
Exactly. The social element is a huge motivator. It's hard to skip your study session when you know someone is waiting for you. This accountability can really keep you on track. You can use phrases like, let's check in tomorrow, or I'll quiz you on the vocabulary.
A study partner can also introduce you to new vocabulary and different perspectives. They might have a different way of explaining a grammar rule that suddenly makes sense to you. It's a chance for collaborative learning. Plus, a partner can make learning more fun. You can play language games or discuss topics you both find interesting. This makes the process less like a chore and more like a social activity.
So, which method is better? The answer is both. The most effective strategy is a hybrid approach. It's not an either-or situation. It's about combining the best of both worlds.
That's the key. Think of it this way. Your solo time is for input and consolidation. This is when you watch videos, read books, and learn new grammar. Your partner time is for output and practice. This is when you take everything you learned on your own and put it into action.
A great routine would be spend 30 minutes alone on Monday, focusing on new vocabulary. Then, on Tuesday, meet with your partner for 30 minutes to use those new words in a conversation. You're using your solo time to build a foundation and your partner time to reinforce it.
Now, let's answer some of the questions you've sent us. Our first question is from David, who asks, I have a study partner, but we keep getting distracted and talking about other things. What should we do?
That's a very common problem, David. The solution is to have a clear agenda. Before you start, agree on exactly what you'll study. You could say, let's spend the first 20 minutes on our conversation, then the next 10 on new vocabulary. Also, you can try using a timer. This keeps you focused and makes your sessions more efficient.
Great advice. Our next question is from Anna, who says, I don't have anyone to study with. What can I do to practice speaking alone? That's a fantastic question, Anna. You can try speaking to yourself. Describe your day out loud as you do chores. Or record yourself on your phone answering questions from a textbook. When you listen to your own voice, you can spot pronunciation issues and identify errors. Melissa, If you prefer to study alone, I have 3 challenges for you. 1. Article on a topic you love and read it out loud. Record yourself and listen back to identify 2 things you can improve. 2. Dispatch write a short story or a journal entry. Aim for at least 100 words. 3. Choose a TED Talk or YouTube video and watch it with subtitles. Then watch it a second time without them to see how much you understand.
And if you want to find a partner, here are 3 challenges for you. 1. Users a language exchange app like Tandem or HelloTalk to find a partner who shares similar interests. 2. Turn around a conversation group online or in your community. 3. A specific topic ready for your first conversation. For example, let's talk about our favorite movies or what did you do last weekend?
These simple exercises can make a huge difference. Remember, the most important thing is to be consistent. Every word you learn, every conversation you have, no matter if it's on your own or with a partner, is a step forward.
That's the perfect note to end on. We hope this episode has given you some valuable insights into your own learning style.